Compact track loaders are gaining popularity in North America as users are starting to see the benefits of smoother operation, more stability, productivity, and more applications. With that comes a greater demand for operating capacity, more breakout force, and more hydraulic power. New Holland is proud to introduce our largest compact track loader ever, the new C245. Being able to effectively lift and load at 4,500 pounds rated operating capacity, the C245 will make a great fit on any farm, rental yard, or job site. Through some changes to the hydraulics, the C245 comes with a hydraulic relief pressure of 3,450 psi. With the enhanced high flow package, you can achieve hydraulic powers of up to 82 horsepower. With that, the C245 can handle more material and deliver more power to out-front attachments like snow blowers, cold planers, and manhole cutters. When you combine industry-leading cab access and comfort with outstanding visibility through the low-pivot Super Boom geometry, the C245 allows the operator a better rear view from the cab and less fatigue during those long workdays. The C245 also comes with heavy-duty steel-cased front lights for added durability and visibility while working in low light conditions. The C245 has an FPT 90 horsepower engine with SCR and uses diesel exhaust fluid. With no diesel particulate filter, there is no need for regeneration, nor the cost to replace the DPF after a couple thousand hours of use. With a heavy-duty rear door, the C245 has great accessibility to daily service and maintenance points, such as the engine oil, hydraulic oil, diesel, and DEF fluid points. There's also a dedicated door to access the battery and connections. The New Holland CTL track design is robust and provides great traction and stability. The idlers and dozer-style rollers are lifetime sealed and lubricated for low maintenance. The track width is 17.7 inches, which will fit on any standard trailer, but also yields low ground pressure of 4.4 psi. Also, adding to the stability of the machine is the ideal positioning of the center of gravity for proper weight distribution, providing great traction and handling during lift and carry tasks. New Holland has a rich history in the skid steer industry, going back to the 1970s, and remains committed to providing you with class-leading equipment like the C245 to help you be as productive as possible.